Hey, what's up guys, it's me again, so good to see you. For those of you who are already subscribed to this channel, I want to welcome you back to another leaked video about the Sony WH-1000XM4. And this one, I promise, is gonna be a very interesting video. It's huge, alright? But if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to stay tuned for more content like this one, covering leaks and information about the XM4 headphones, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below and ringing the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. So how did this leak come about? Well, recently Walmart listed the WH-1000XM4 on their website, and this appears to be a draft listing because number one, it does not have any product images, so that's pretty telling. And number two, it doesn't use Sony's official naming convention for its products. So the part of the listing's name that reads WH-1000XM4 doesn't have everything in caps, which it should have, and it doesn't have that hyphen between WH and 1000XM4. But what this listing has is Sony's official list of key features and benefits. And this list pretty much confirms some of the things that I've talked about in this video, but it also has some pretty new and exciting things never known before. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go through with you the various key features and benefits of the WH-1000XM4 as specified in this list. Number one, industry-leading digital noise cancellation. Industry-leading noise cancellation technology means you hear every word, note, and tune with incredible clarity, no matter your environment. Additional microphones also assist in isolating sound while talking on the phone, resulting in improved phone call quality and the reduction of even more high and mid-frequency sounds. So it sounds pretty much like what Sony's saying here is the WH-1000XM4 will have better phone call quality and active noise cancellation than the XM3. Number two, ambient sound control. Adjust ambient sound with the Sony Headphones Connect app to cancel noise while still allowing through essential sounds like transport announcements when you're listening on the move. Now, this is something that's not exclusive to the XM4 headphones. I mean, almost all of Sony's current gen wireless headphones and earbuds, the top of the line models, have ambient sound control, which is basically Sony's special term for transparency mode. But of course, this is something that I've talked about a lot on this channel, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail here. Let's move on. Number three, proprietary technology for premium sound. This is very interesting because it also talks about driver size. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos about the XM4s, some of the leaks suggested that the XM4s might have a smaller speaker driver than the XM3s. But it's pretty clear now that this is not the case. LDAC transmits approximately 3 times more data at the maximum transfer rate of 990 kilobytes per second than conventional Bluetooth audio, allowing you to enjoy high-resolution audio content in exceptional quality as close as possible to that of a dedicated wired connection. Powered by DSEE Extreme technology, the 40mm drivers with liquid crystal polymer diaphragms are high-res audio compatible, reproducing a full range of frequencies up to 40 kHz. So from what we can see here, the XM4 headphones will have the same speaker drivers as the XM3s, both in terms of driver size, 40mm, and in terms of the type of driver design, liquid crystal polymer. It's also confirmed here that it supports the LDAC audio codec. Nothing here about aptX, so yep. And DSEE Extreme is also supported here. The next point will elaborate on what exactly is DSEE Extreme. Real-time restoration of all your compressed files. Using Edge AI artificial intelligence co-developed with Sony Music Entertainment, DSEE Extreme Digital Sound Enhancement Engine upscales compressed digital music files in real time. Dynamically recognizing instrumentation, musical genres, and individual elements of each song, such as vocals or interludes, it restores the high range lost in compression for a richer, more complete listening experience. So this appears to be a more advanced version of DSEE HX. Now, what is that? That is basically an audio upscaler. So if you have lots of compressed, low resolution music files, DSEE HX will upscale your audio to get them to sound more high-res, and it appears that the Extreme version is gonna do a better job at that because it uses some form of artificial intelligence. But how much of a difference will that make compared to the older HX version of DSEE remains to be seen. All-day power with quick charging. The WH-1000XM4 headphones are made to last all day and then some, whether you're focused on your work or flying around the globe. Up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge keeps you listening instead of charging. Low on battery, no problem. 10 minutes of charge time gives you an amazing up to 5 hours of playback. So it appears that there's no change here in terms of battery life compared to the XM3. You get the same 30 hours of battery life on a single charge. But from a previous leak, we also know that if you use the XM4s in wired mode, meaning with the audio cable attached, the XM4s will give you a little more battery than the XM3s operating in the same wired mode. But nonetheless, if you use these headphones wirelessly, it's gonna give you the same 30 hours of playtime. Touch control. It appears to have exactly the same touch control scheme as the XM3s. Change track, turn volume up or down, activate phone's voice assistant, take or make calls by tapping or swiping the panel with your fingertip. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Clear hands-free calling. Conversation flows freely with easy hands-free calling. Leave your phone where it is, just speak with a double tap thanks to precise voice pickup technology, which combines 5 built-in microphones with advanced audio signal processing. So, in contrast to the XM3s, the XM4s have 5 microphones instead of 4. WH-1000XM4 delivers clearer voice quality to the other person on the phone. Precise voice pickup technology implemented in WH-1000XM4 optimally controls the 5 microphones built into the headphones and performs advanced audio signal processing to pick up your voice clearly and precisely for hands-free calls. So it promises better phone call quality, at least compared to the XM3s, with that extra microphone. Very interesting. Multipoint Connection. Now this is a feature that we've all been asking for from day one, but now it's official, the XM4 headphones have multi-point pairing. For total convenience, the WH-1000XM4 headphones can be paired with 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. So when a call comes in, your headphones know which device is ringing and will automatically connect to the right one. Very nice. You'll also be able to quickly and smoothly switch your headphones to either of the 2 devices at the touch of a button. That sounds very good, but it appears to be something that you cannot do out of the box, meaning you probably have to assign the XM4's new custom button to do this particular task. That's the button that used to be called the ambient sound button on the XM3s, but now on the XM4s, it's been changed to the custom button. So not only can you use that button for toggling between different ambient sound modes, it appears that you can also assign that button to do other things too. And probably switching between multiple Bluetooth devices is one of those things that you can get it to do. Now, from previous leaks, we also know that you can manage your multiple connected Bluetooth devices within the Sony Headphones Connect app. So the XM4's multi-point pairing experience promises to be a bit richer than what you get from other headphones. Next, adaptive sound control automatically adjusts to your location and behavior. This is a feature that is also present in the current generation of Sony headphones like the WF-1000XM3 and the WH-1000XM3. So I'm not going to go into so much detail about it because you guys are probably very familiar with adaptive sound control too. Adaptive sound control is a smart function that can learn to recognize locations you frequently visit, such as your workplace or favorite cafeteria, and tailor sound for the ideal listening experience. Not very accurate here, it tailors the degree of ambient sound pass-through that you get in these locations. In addition, it automatically detects what you're up to, for example, walking, waiting, or traveling, then adjusts ambient sound settings to best suit this situation. Okay, next, wearing comfort. WH-1000XM4 headphones blend sophisticated styling with exceptional comfort. Ooh, so exceptional, so comfort. Super soft, pressure relieving ear pads, informed urethane, evenly distribute pressure and increase ear pad contact for a stable fit. And with a lighter weight design, you'll barely be able to notice you're wearing them. Lighter weight design, so this implies that the XM4s might be a little lighter than the XM3s. Very interesting, but you know what, the XM3s are already super comfortable to begin with, so any kind of improvement upon that is gonna be extra juicy. So to summarize, what this list is saying is that the XM4s will have better voice microphone quality for phone calls and better ANC performance than the XM3s because it's got 5 microphones instead of 4. It also promises better upscaling of your audio, better comfort, multi-point pairing, all while maintaining the same battery life and driver size as the XM3s. But guys, I want to know what you think. Tell me in the comments section below, based on what we've seen from this list, will you now be switching to the XM4s if you already own the XM3s? Is the XM4's addition of multi-point pairing enough to sway you to upgrade to the XM4s? Same goes for whoever owns a pair of ANC headphones from other brands like Bose or Sennheiser. Is the XM4 now a lot more compelling than these other headphones? Let me know what you think in the comments section, and like I said before, if you want to stay tuned for more leaks and more videos about the XM4 headphones, please subscribe if you haven't already and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by punching that like button with a vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and sharing this video with your friends and family. I'll see you again, bros and sisters. Au revoir. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.